In today's video, we'll be making a letterhead, and the program that we're using today is Microsoft Word. All right, so we're going to insert our letterhead in our header, right? So the header is the top section of the Word document that allows you to repeat information such as a date or a title on every page of the same document. And the footer is the bottom section that would allow you to display information, as I said again, such as the date, the title, or the page number. All right, we're going to insert our letterhead in our header. So what we're going to do is use our mouse and put it up the top section of the page, and we're going to double click there, and there it says header, right? So if you scroll down here, you'll see footer there, right? All right. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to design our letterhead. So we're going to go to insert, then we're going to go to in the illustrations group, we're going to click the drop down arrow under the shapes icon, and we're gonna choose, we're gonna come down to the flowchart section, and we're gonna choose this symbol that says flowchart manual input. All right, so we're gonna use this symbol to make our letterhead in our header, right? All right, so here we are. Now the diagram doesn't necessarily have to fit exactly in the space that is shown there, okay? And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change the color here. We're gonna come up to this top section here. I'm gonna choose a different color. We're gonna choose this color. And what we're gonna do, we're going to go back to our home tab. I'm gonna click copy. I'm gonna paste. All right, here we have another one. I'm gonna make this closer. I'm gonna change the color. We're gonna right click. I'm gonna go to format shape. I'm gonna click fill. I'm gonna choose a color here. We're gonna choose a different. I'm gonna choose yellow. Right. Then I'm gonna close here. Then we're gonna choose, line up this somewhere. We're gonna go back to the home tab. We're gonna click paste. I'm gonna move this right here. I'm gonna right click, format shape, and choose gray. All right. And now we're gonna insert a text box. So I'm gonna click draw text box. Then we're gonna draw a text box right here. Right. Now we're gonna right click, format shape. For the line, we're gonna put no line so that we don't see the border. And for fill, we're gonna change the color to that gray color that we used early on. All right, let's find that gray color. Was it here? All right, I found the color. All right, so we're gonna click here, and we're gonna go back to the home tab. We're going to click the center button there, and we're gonna type CAD with Mr. Hugh as an example. Okay. All right, we have to make the font bigger, so we're gonna select the words that we typed a while ago. I'm gonna change the font size to 24. Good. And I've centered it there, right there. All right, so we have the name. All right, next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna insert our logo. So we're going to go to Insert, Pictures. Then we're gonna go to where we saved our logo. I made a video how to make a logo in Paint. So maybe you could visit. All right, here's our logo. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna resize it. All right, and I think I have a little bit more space over this side, so I'm gonna put the logo right here. All right, then now I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to insert another text box below here so I can write the address. Okay. All right, the color, we'll have to format the color again. Let us see if we can format shape. All right. Oh, that was a line. So I'm gonna put no line. And then now for the fill, I need to change this to, was it this one? Good. Right, so we're gonna write the address here. 1 Blue Sky Road, comma, Newtown, Newtown, comma, New York, if there's such a place, New York. All right, so what we have to do then, we have to expand this. All right. I'm gonna carry center this. All right, that is centered. All right, I'm gonna center this. So I'm gonna come to the home tab. I'm gonna click this, right? I'm gonna do the same thing here. Oh, this is centered already. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Font 14. Okay, I just click here. I'm gonna expand this. All right, there's a New York, and I'm gonna center this. All right, we need more space up here, so I'm gonna carry this. I'm gonna carry this up. No. Right, so I'm gonna carry this up. Need to center this one. All right. And we're gonna change the color of the address. So I'm gonna make it a different color. Let's make it yellow. All right. Okay, so this is our letterhead in our header. I'm gonna go down now to the footer and I'm going to insert another shape, which is a rectangle. Choose a rectangle right here. Gonna click here, right across there. All right. And what color did I use? Okay, I'm gonna use a different blue here. So I'm gonna change the fill, I'm gonna change this to this one. Good. And I'm gonna insert a text box. So I'm gonna click insert text box. We're gonna draw a text box. Gonna go right here. We're going to remove the line. So we're gonna click no line. And the color, we're gonna change the color to this color. Good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna go back to the home tab. Gonna change the font size to 14. We're gonna center and we're gonna type email, um, CAD with Mr. Hugh at 123.com. All right, we need to widen this so that we can see. Okay, good. And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna center it. Okay, there it is, right? So this is our letterhead that we created in our Microsoft Word document, right? So if I press escape on the keyboard, right, there it is. It's now grayed out because the letterhead is in the header, right? So if I was to go to another page, the second page, there it is on the header and the footer would be on with the letterhead is on another page because we in today's video we designed the letterhead in the header. We are also going to add the reference and the date again in the header. So what we're going to do again is double click up here, right? And we're going to insert another text box. I'm going to draw a text box again. I'm going to click here. Right, I'm going to write reference number. I'm going to widen this box. All right, I'm going to right click, format shape. We're going to remove the line. So we're going to click no line. All right. Then we're also going to put the date over this side, right? So what we can do is select this, click the home tab, click copy, make sure that the outer box is highlighted, then you click copy, you click outside, and then you click paste. And here now we're gonna move it. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna try to align it with the other one that we did previously. I'm gonna change this now. I'm gonna delete this. Then we're gonna write the word date. All right. You press escape on the keyboard. So here is a finished letterhead for our document, and if we scroll down we can see because we did it in the header, it is on the other page also.